Welcome to part 4 of Beginner's Revit course. Let's continue where we left off. It's now time for the site plan. We can start with the hard ground walking areas. We can delete the ground we drew temporarily. $200 cm to this side. And 400 cm to this side. It should be 1 meter thick to be visually appealing. We adjust the size and choose the material. There are many materials available in this section, and you can access them in the Asset Browser section if you need more. We need to create a closed shape again within the boundaries we have drawn on the ground to create gaps. A width of 150 centimeters will be sufficient for the approach to the main door. Since we don't want the line we are referencing to disappear, we pressed copy after the entering the offset command. Let's create some gaps for the green areas as well. Lower this section a bit. We have adjusted the gaps, now fill them in. After entering the floor command, change the material to the grass. Since the top of this area is covered due to the mess, we can place a sitting area there later. Therefore, we should create a hard ground. Don't forget to create a gap for the building foundation on the ground you have drawn. Otherwise, the floors will overlap. Enter the offset command and set the value to 40 centimeters. If you press the tab key while the mouse is in this position, it will automatically detect the other surfaces. The reason we are offsetting this section 40 centimeters inwards is because we will be creating a pool there. To do this, we need to activate the model in place command. Start creating the pool with the extrusion command. First, create 40 centimeters with wooden deck. We can make 5 centimeters thickness. I'm offsetting the wooden deck 1 centimeters inwards because I'll need the space to fit the pool floor and walls. Then let's create a void extrusion on the surface. The only thing left is to fill the pool with water. If the material you are looking for is not in the material library, after creating a new material, you can upload the material you want from the Asset Browser menu. Yes, the pool is complete. I didn't like the material of the floor here, frankly. This is better. The slab is misaligned. Let's fix it. Expand our green area. Let's create an asphalt ground to be able to draw a road. If you are trying to align to this point and it's not referencing, you can hold down the Shift key to lock to the movement axis and select the desired reference point. If your points are left open, Revit will give such a warning. When you give this warning, clicking the Show button will show you where the gaps are. Or if there is another line on a line, it will give such an error. When you click Show, know that there are overlapping lines in the area it shows. Remember, if you select from the right, it selects everything it touches, and if you select from the left, it selects what it contains. Once you have selected the overline, delete it. Let's draw the sidewalks on the road. 7 meters will be enough for the road. The right angles of the intersections here look bad from an aesthetic point of view. To fix this, select the filled arch, select the two desired lines, and adjust the angle. If you have any specific angle in mind, after entering the angle in the radius section here and clicking on the lines, it will be automatic. We need to lower the road 20 centimeters. Draw the opposite side of the road for a more complete image. We can connect the green area here to the pool. In the part 5, we are going to design details, furnishing, and setting camera angles.